Office jong district tuberculosis riphoi ha ka arpun ritrik leber. Kala rakhi ke sengi bakerpang banrat Dyngkhong ye ke Jingpang TB World TB Day. Bala rakhi ha ka arpu sautrik leber ha barok koi ke perthai. Da ka babu ke thong banrat Dyngkhong ye ke ni ke Jingpang nasla khandau jong kari India. Kari India kala shim ye ke tin pira kum ka raikut da ka boong. Yes, we can end TB. Ya kini ke jing rakhi la pelong hanong po parish hall ha ka balawan shiminta do Professor GD Sharma Vice Chancellor ke School ba USTM, Dr SK Barwa Napurno Isangma International Medical College USTM, G Burgohain WHO Consultant NTP, Dr TS Momin DMHO Riboy District, Dr E Kalwing District Tuberculosis Officer Riboy ki officer nakatanat ka kwat kekia kinong mi khmat na Piramal Foundation ki khna school ki Samla puli BSW 4th semester, Women's College Shillong bat kiwe kiri rang pa. Kini ke Jingpang ke Deiru ke Baladon Bunsnem Henry na kaliang katanat ke kuat ke kia bat ke kenhun ke doktor hadu kini kisngi kidang ya kun persya ya kini ke Jingpang ban penduk jat ya ka kumbala batai syai kumno ke TB ke priang bat kumno ban sumar ban pelatnya ka. Kipat bak kim de ban kensting Henry de ban sumar bat bot testai ke jing batai jeng ke doktor ban di testai ke dawai bala ayaki. Hakini kesngi ke office DTO rengkat bak ke Piramal Foundation kum ke Jingpen Priang Khubor bak Aimin Sim ya ki belawan Shimenta ban rat Dyngkhong ye Jingpang TB lapen kop buram ru ik jaka sumar kinong thok Khubor na ke district bat ke Shnong ka balat na ke Jingpang TB bat kiwe.
But the other context, okay, those other students who are context of the TB student, I mean, they got the TB infection only. TB infection is not disease. So this we should be all very clear about. Like TB infection is just having the infection within the body, but it is not, we are not having any symptoms. So it is not an active TB. Just the mere presence of the bacilli in the body, which is nothing to be worried of. But if we take the TB preventive treatment properly, it cannot activate into the full-blown disease. So that's what we did in Silchar National Institute of Tuberculosis. All the other contacts who were not actually having TB, but they had the TB infection, so we provided them the preventive medicine, and they are all now on proper manner. So why I mentioned this point, the messages should be clear to the community. Okay, we should understand what is the active TB disease and then TB infection, and whom we should give the proper management of TB or whom we should give the preventive treatment. So those are few new things which have come under the problem, and I again congratulate the district for initiating this newer initiative. So with that.
The tuberculosis bacteria, which was, as you all know, was first identified in 1882. Earlier to this, though, the disease was occurring since long, and in every country this was known by different ways, maybe myths, maybe also unwritten oral and the oldest written documents, which was also told, was mentioned in the literature of India and China, and later on in other countries which followed. But scientifically, the coach confirmed that this bacterium, mycobacterium tuberculosis can cause disease. And you all know the coach hypothesis means the organism isolated from disease causing
Civil gesture.